Hello dearies, welcome back to my channel. This is HBM Organic Beauty. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, yeah, consider subscribing. So it's a new week and I pray this week brings us good tidings in Jesus name, inshallah. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how you can make your intense whitening black soap shower gel, and this tutorial for today is pro-mixing. So do not come for me, do not come and start saying, oh, I thought you said you're stuck to natural, why are you doing pro-mixing and all that? Because believe me, many people have bad mouth too. So on this channel, there was a time I asked a question on this channel that should I stick to natural skincare tutorials only, or should I still chip in pro-mixing once in a while? And so many people went with that motion that says do the both. So I have to satisfy everybody needs, yes, in my community. And we all know one man's food is another man's poison. So on this channel I'll be doing natural skincare and I'll be doing pro-mixing once in a while. I'll be doing pro-mixing. So today I am doing a pro-mixing video. Fine, it's natural, but we are chipping in pro-mixing, so that makes it a pro-mixing video. So what we are doing today, like I said, is our intense whitening black soap shower gel. Yes, so but before we go straight into this video, I just want to notify you that our online skincare class starts on Saturday, this Saturday 15th of August. This Saturday, in the next I think in the next 5 days, yes, our natural skincare class starts. And normally the way we do the class, the first 5 people to enroll for the class will get a free recipe on how I make my pink lips balm. Let me show you the pink lips balm. So here's the pink lips balm. So I'll be giving you this recipe on how you can make this pink lips balm. So that is it. So if you're interested in the class, just enroll for the class by calling the number you're seeing on the screen right now to enroll for the class. Please note, in my online class I teach natural skincare, because if you know how to make your cream from scratch, you will definitely know how you can pro-mix. You will know the right quantities that you can pro-mix with. So I don't teach pro-mixing in the class, I teach natural skincare. You know, teaching you pro-mixing in the class is, I see it as you're wasting your money, because what is the essence of enrolling for a class and you cannot even boast of making a simple formulation from scratch all by yourself without adding another man's product into your formulation? So it does not make sense. So I teach natural skincare in the class. So if you think it's pro-mixing, please, that means the class is not for you. The class is not pro-mixing. It's not all about what I want to do now. So anything pro-mixing, I drop it on my channel and I give the real recipe. I drop it on my channel. If you need any special recipe, yes, you can contact me on any special recipe you want. Yes, I'm going to attend to you on that. But if you don't know how to convert from percentage to gram, please, you cannot get any recipe from me, because all my recipes I write them out in percentage. So this is why you also need to enroll for our online skincare class, so that you'll be able to know how to convert your percentage into a full formulation recipe. So let's dive straight into this video. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, let's get down to our workstation. So we're about making our instant whitening black soap shower gel. So first of all, what I'll be needing, I'll need to add in all my base. And for my base, I'm using my Ghana black soap. So I'll be using my scale. I am doing pro-mixing, but I still have to use my scale. So this is why you really need to know how to formulate from scratch. So for my black soap, I'll be needing 10 grams of my black soap, because my black soap is my base also. So I'll be needing 10 grams of my black soap. I'll be needing my Ozone colored soap. So I'll be needing 10 grams also. I'm going to drop the recipe so that you can see the recipe. So I'll be needing 10 grams of this. Yeah, you don't have to misuse this. This is ash on the skin. This is ash on the skin. So you just have to be careful when using this. So next I'm going to be using my cream bath. This cream bath is a Dove product. It contains almond and hibiscus in it. So, and we all know Dove product is very moisturizing. You can choose to use another whitening body wash if you want, and you can also choose to just pour in hot water here if you don't want to use any shower gel. But I want to add this because this is very moisturizing. So I'm going to be adding my cream bath, 159 gram of my cream bath. So this is actually our base. We have the terms we use for this when it comes to natural skincare. You're going to know more about that when you enroll for the class. So I'll be needing 159 gram of this. I'm supposed to let this sit for a while, but because I just want to get this whole process done, I want to do it faster. So I have another ways I will use in blend this fast. So next I'm going to add in my honey. Yeah, so I'm using this honey. This is pure honey. I'm using this honey. So I'm going to add in my honey. So like I said, I'm going to drop the recipe. We all know the skin benefits of honey. So honey is an antioxidant. It's also an antibacterial, and you know, it helps fight wrinkles and helps aging skin. It also helps acne treatment and also prevents acne. So I'm going to be adding my honey into our formulation. So I added in 6 grams of our honey. So next I'm going to add in my charcoal. Yeah, so like seriously, this charcoal is the main thing here. I don't know how to call it, but the benefits of charcoal is much. Charcoal cleanses the skin, it unclogs the pores, it removes deeper impurities away from your skin. Yes, it removes dead skin cells. What is the essence of using a body wash or using a soap that does not remove the dead skin cell on the surface of your skin? What's the essence of such soap? Charcoal also attracts toxins, heavy metals, chemicals, and other poison that are in your skin. When you're bathing with this body wash I'm making now, because of the charcoal, yeah, it's going to attract those heavy metals in your body. Many a times the skincare product we use deposits heavy metals into our skin, like when you're using skincare product that contains mercury, hydroquinone, and many other harsh chemicals that way. So this charcoal I'm about to add now will help draw out every heavy metals that has been deposited into your skin. So for my charcoal I'll be using 2 grams of my charcoal. 2 grams of my charcoal I add into my formulation. If you want to know how you can convert all your recipes from percentage to gram, that is what I did before I started doing this pro mixing. I did all that in here. So if you want to know how to write out your recipe and write it well, please enroll for the skincare class. Once you are able to make formulation from scratch, pro mixing is nothing. Believe me, pro mixing is nothing. But you only see pro mixing as a big deal, all because you don't know how to make cream from scratch. If you are able to make your cream from scratch, you will be able to pro mix like a pro, because you will not just be adding in unnecessary things into your formulation. So next we are going to add in our neem powder. So here is my neem powder. We all know neem powder is an antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral herbs that helps skin infections like eczema, and it also help keep your skin moisturized, believe me. So I'm going to be adding my neem powder. Yeah, be careful when doing this, because as I'm talking right now, the whole of my throat is bitter. So that's my neem powder. So if you want your black soap to be much, you want to make your black soap plenty, like you want the black soap to come out more than this, you can choose to increase the quantity of your black soap. I'm going to add in this whitening oil. This is a Labijanis whitening oil, because I want this I want this shower gel to be whitening. But please take note, remember this is a wash off product. Yes, this is a wash off product. So whenever you're making you're using wash off product and you want to see the lightening effect of that wash off, and you want to see the lightening effect of the wash off product you're using, you have to massage that product on your skin and you leave it for at least 10 minutes. That is if the product's pH is balanced, because apart from making a formulation those way, you always have to check if your product is if the pH of your product is balanced. And this is all you're going to be taught in the class, how to balance the pH level of your skincare product. So you have to check if the pH is balanced. But if your pH is balanced, your soap is safe on your skin. You can just massage into the skin. You massage for 1 minute and you leave on your skin for at least 10 minutes. Yes, do not exceed 10 minutes. Do not exceed 10 minutes. So by doing that, all your lightening properties in your shower gel would have absorbed into your skin. By doing that, you will see the lightening effect of your shower gel on your skin. But if you just enter your bedroom, you just take you just bath and you wash off your products at once, you are not going to see the lightening effect. I'm going to add in my whitening oil. So I'm going to add 8 grams of my whitening oil. So when you're making your soap and you add in too much oil, your soap will end up not lathering. When you're making your soap, you add in too much honey, or you add in too much of what you're not supposed to add in, your soap will end up not lathering. So when making soap, we have the normal percentage of base that you have to incorporate other ingredients into. So I'll be adding in my preservative, then I'll go on and blend this properly. So do not mind the greenish color. It's because of the neem powder. The neem powder I actually use is still very fresh. You can end up not having this greenish color when you use probably another kind of herb or a neem powder that is not as fresh as mine. But with time, before tomorrow, this is definitely going to change color. Yeah, it's going to cool down. It's going to become a little bit dark, you know, just like your normal black soap. So last but not the least, I'm going to be adding in my preservative. Can use any preservative of your choice. So I'm going to be adding in 1 gram of my preservative. Just 1 gram only 1 gram. So that should just be a drop. I'm going to stick blend this. Because I don't want to create I'm trying to be careful because I don't want to create much bubbles. Wow, this shower gel smells so yummy. You know one good thing about this shower gel, can you see it has enough exfoliating properties, and you know it has enough herbs in it. It has fenugreek. Yeah, I didn't talk about fenugreek. Fenugreek is very rich in vitamin C. It glows, clears up your skin. It clears it up because of the vitamin C in it. So you can see how our body wash is. It's still in this color form because it has not settled down yet. Before tomorrow, it's going to have a color that will look similar to this. So this is it. This is our body wash. So this body wash will whiten your skin. Yes, I'm not saying it will whiten your skin tomorrow. So if you enjoyed this video, why not give this video a thumbs up? So I'm going to bottle this now. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to enroll for our skincare class, like I said, send a WhatsApp message on the number you're seeing on the screen. This soap is very, very rich. This is not just an ordinary whitening soap that will spoil your skin. You can see the ingredients it contains, and it smells so nice. So if you're using water, you're not using any shower gel, then you can go in and add any fragrance oil. Just add fragrance oil. You can use 1 gram of any fragrance oil. Yes, but because the shower gel I use is scented already, it has heavy fragrance, so that is why I'm not using any extra fragrance.